Imagine earning $8,127 per week by leveraging free AI tools combined with Canva. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me because today I'm going to break down exactly how people are doing this. The best part? It's incredibly simple yet so effective that it almost feels like a cheat code for success. Let's take a look at this video here.
Can you name these 10 countries by their first two letters? Last one is very hard. First one, France. Second one, Japan. Third one, Italy. Please like and follow if you get the first three answers right.
It's going viral and keeps the audience so engaged. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating engaging list challenge videos, the kind that go viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok, raking in thousands of dollars through ad payouts. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to replicate this strategy and start earning. Lest I forget, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up as we continue to bring you amazing videos like this. If you would like to learn in detail the A to Z of YouTube automation, I have created a course just for you. Please visit the link in my description and sign up for a small token. Also, join the Flow Wealth community from the link in the description and be part of like-minded creators who are doing amazing in this area. Now let's move on. Let's start with the basics. The strategy combines Canva's user-friendly drag and drop tools with ChatGPT's ability to generate engaging text content. These tools come together to create list challenge videos, which are simple yet psychologically designed to grab and hold viewers' attention. The format, a progressively harder challenge, keeps viewers hooked until the very end. Why is that important? Because platforms like YouTube and TikTok love videos that retain viewers, pushing them up the algorithm for more exposure. I first stumbled upon this method when YouTube recommended a shorts video to me. It was a quiz-style list challenge that I couldn't stop watching until the very last frame. Curious, I checked its stats and discovered it had over 23 million views. That's when I realized the potential here. These videos may look simple, but they are powerful because they tap into human psychology. On YouTube, creators earn money through YouTube's AdSense program. The platform runs ads before, during, or after videos and splits the revenue with creators. Based on my own analytics and what creators are reporting on Reddit, the average RPM, revenue per 1,000 views for YouTube Shorts, is around 10 to 20 cents. Let's crunch some numbers. If a single video gets 23 million views at an average RPM of 15 cents, it would generate approximately $450. And that's just one video. TikTok, on the other hand, has even higher ad payouts. Their creator rewards program pays between 40 cents to $1 per $1,000 views. If you post a TikTok that gets 55 million views, like one channel I researched did in their first month, you're looking at earning $33,000. That's over $8,000 per week. Amazing, right? Now, let's break this down into actionable steps. First, head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free or try Canva Pro for extra features. I have the link in my description. Go to the Elements menu, search for a video that matches your theme, and drag it onto the canvas. Resize the video to fill the entire screen. Now, trim the video to about 15 seconds. This duration is ideal for individual segments of your list challenge. Once trimmed, adjust the brightness of the video to make it slightly darker. This ensures that any text you overlay will stand out clearly against the background. At this stage, it's time to add a title to your video. Go back to the Elements menu, select a rounded rectangle, and position it at the top of the screen. Change the rectangle's color to something high contrast, like red or yellow. Then, click on Text, add a heading, and type in your title. Use a bold font and white text for maximum readability. Position the title over the rectangle and adjust the size until it looks balanced. With the title in place, add numbered text boxes to represent the challenge levels. Start with Easy for the first level and use a green text color to differentiate it. Duplicate the text box and replace easy with the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Arrange these vertically to indicate the sequence of questions. Repeat this process. For medium, use orange text. Hard, use red text. And extreme, use purple text. For extreme, you'll only need the number 10 as it represents the final level. Once all your text elements are in place, group them together. To do this, hold the Shift key, click on each element and select Group. This allows you to move and resize all the elements as a single unit, making future adjustments much easier. Now that you've grouped your text elements, your first slide is ready. To create additional slides, duplicate the current slide in Canva. Replace the stock video background with a new clip and paste the grouped text elements onto the new slide. Make sure each new video clip is trimmed to 15 seconds and that its brightness is adjusted to maintain consistency with the original slide. Repeat this process for as many slides as you need to complete your list challenge. If you're creating a video for TikTok, ensure that the total video length exceeds 60 seconds, as TikTok's Creator Rewards program requires videos to be at least 1 minute long to qualify for ad revenue. To achieve this, you can make each slide 15.1 seconds instead of 15 seconds. This small adjustment will push your total video length just past the 1 minute mark. For YouTube Shorts, however, the video needs to be under 60 seconds. When uploading your video to YouTube, you can trim the final slide slightly to keep the total duration within the required limit. Once your Canva template is ready, it's time to generate the content. Open ChatGPT or a similar AI chatbot and ask it to create progressively harder quiz questions. Run the prompt multiple times to get a variety of options, then pick the best ones for your video. We both know that voiceovers add a professional touch. ElevenLabs is a free AI-powered voice generator that's perfect for this. Start by signing up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech generator. Begin with an introductory voiceover. For example, type in something like, "Welcome to today's list challenge. Can you answer all 10 questions correctly? Let's find out." Select a voice from ElevenLabs library that matches the tone of your video. Many people prefer a dramatic voice for these types of videos as it adds excitement. Once you've chosen a voice, click Generate and then download the audio file. Next, create a separate voiceover for each question and answer. For example, if your first question is, "What is the capital of France?" you might type, "Question 1, what is the capital of France?" The correct answer is Paris. Let's move on to question 2. Generate and download each voiceover clip individually. For the final question, you can simply end with the answer and a closing statement such as, "Congratulations, you've completed the list challenge. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments." Now it's time to edit our video, and I will be using CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app that's perfect for combining your Canva video and ElevenLabs voiceover. You can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, start a new project and upload the Canva video template you created earlier. Drag the video onto the timeline to begin editing. Next, upload the audio files you generated with ElevenLabs. Place the introduction audio clip at the very beginning of the timeline. Then, arrange the question and answer voiceovers in order, spacing them evenly to match the timing of your video slides. If each slide is 15 seconds long, make sure each audio clip aligns with the corresponding slide. After adding the voiceovers, use CapCut's auto captioning tool to generate subtitles for your video. Click on Captions and select Auto Captions. The AI will analyze the audio and create subtitles for each clip. Once the captions are generated, you can customize their appearance. For example, you might use a bold font with a shadow effect to ensure the text stands out against the video background. You can also adjust the size, color, and position of the captions to match the style of your video. To make your video more engaging, add a progress bar between each question. Progress bars create a sense of anticipation and make the video feel more interactive. In CapCut, go to the Elements menu and search for Progress Bar. Choose an animation that fits the theme of your video, such as a loading bar or a ticking timer. Drag the progress bar onto the timeline and position it where you want it to appear. Adjust its duration to match the transition between questions. For added effect, include a ticking sound to accompany the progress bar animation. Go to the audio menu, search for a ticking sound effect, and drag it onto the timeline. Align the sound effect with the progress bar to create a cohesive experience. Finally, add on-screen text for each answer. After each question is read aloud, insert a text box displaying the correct answer. For example, if the question is, "What is the capital of France?" you could add a text box that says, "Answer, Paris." Use a bright color and bold font to ensure the answer is easily visible. Repeat this process for all the questions in your video. When all the elements are in place, preview the video to ensure everything is properly aligned. Check that the timing of the audio, captions, progress bars, and answers matches the corresponding slides. If anything feels off, make adjustments as needed. Once you're satisfied with the final product, export the video in high resolution. Click Export. Select the highest resolution available, usually 1080p, and save the file to your device. For TikTok, upload the full-length version to ensure it qualifies for the Creator Rewards program. For YouTube Shorts, trim the video slightly to keep it under 60 seconds. At this time, it would be lovely if you subscribe to this channel and gave this video a thumbs up to appreciate our little effort to bring you more resourceful videos in the future. You are amazing. Some of you have questions around how to make money from these videos. Note that the Creator Rewards program for TikTok requires at least 10,000 followers to monetize. However, with the viral nature of these videos, reaching that milestone is achievable within weeks. On YouTube, focus on building your subscriber base to meet the AdSense eligibility requirements. One TikTok account started posting in March and gained 55 million views in 4 weeks. Their videos consistently hit 200,000 to over 1 million views each. A YouTube Shorts channel gained 100,000 subscribers in less than 2 months by posting similar content. Consistency is key. Post at least 3 times a week to maintain momentum. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage viewers to share their scores. Experiment with themes. Try niches like geography, pop culture, or history to see what resonates. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating list challenge videos that can earn you thousands of dollars per week. Whether you're looking to grow a side hustle or build a full-time income, this strategy is accessible, scalable, and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this strategy or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.